viewers, welcome back to the brand new video of your tech YouTube channel Technical Hunter. So in this new video, I will give you the unboxing video of this smartphone SAMSUNG Galaxy F62. Before going to the content, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Keep notified to get more videos. Like this video now itself. Let's go. Let us see the box contents now. I am repeating that this is Galaxy F62 and it is produced by Samsung. On the top and bottom side there are more and more written about this phone. So I'm now gonna unbox it with just a piece of enthusiasm. So firstly, I got this smartphone Samsung Galaxy F62. Pretty good phone. Literally, this is a bit heavier phone. Next, I got a 25-watt adapter. It's a very good thing, but Apple doesn't give you an adapter. Leave that. And there is a specialty about this charging cable. This is a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. It's a new one, good thing. And we also have documentations and a SIM ejector. If you enjoyed this video of the unboxing of the smartphone Samsung Galaxy F62, if you want the complete review of this smartphone, please comment yes on the comment box. Surely meet you with a new video. Till then, bye.